What's going on, guys? I'm Brian Esser from Automotive, and today I'm excited because my girlfriend and I picked up a new piece of property, and it has a small shop on it. So I'm going to be phasing myself out of the shop here, not anytime soon, but it's a goal that I wanted to do. I wanted to build a home shop and start doing repairs at home. That way I can do much more detailed videos than I do here at the shop. So I think it's a cool opportunity for me. So I wanted to take you to the house and show you what's going on with the shop and what's going on with the property and have a little fun. So come with me. We're at the new property, and this is the back lot, the back half acre of property here. This is where the animals will live and stuff like that. Before I get to all the shop and everything, I wanted to share with you, kind of what I was working with before at the house. So this next clip is the old house and the old shop that I was working with. So right here is technically my tack shed and temporary tool solution for right now. So my girlfriend and I plan to build our forever home with a garage and all that stuff up on the other side of our property. But we decided to put these plans on hold because we scored another piece of property, which is the new property with the new shop. So like I said, this was a temporary solution because I don't have a garage or anything. So I had my tools in this barn here, a little shed. Everything that I need to work on cars at home was right here. Very inefficient, very unorganized, but I got the job done. I have my MIG welder, my toolbox here, a pretty large collection of tools here at the shop, at the house. For those of you that don't know, I installed a lift kit on my Jeep right here in my gravel driveway under a carport, just doing what I had to do. But now I have a shop to go to.
What are you doing? Oh, crazy?
What are you doing, crackhead?
Oh,
Come here. Come here.
don't even get near that Jeep. I'll whoop your butt.
I love working at home because I got my animals here, my family's here. It's awesome, an experience to work at home. And like I said, I did a ton of work right here underneath this little carport, and I worked out of this little barn right here. So this is what I was working with before. So now we're going to go over to the new property and I'll show you the new shop. So here's the outside of the shop. As you can see, it's a mess here because we just moved into the property, and I'll show you in just a second. But here's the carport where most of the work will be done. This is the shop itself. I'll take you inside to see that. The actual inside of the building is about 200 square feet, and then we got the carport here. So one of my plans is I'm going to take the roof off here, make a cut right here, and then raise the roof up a little higher so we can put a hoist under here. I'll have to re-pour the concrete here because I'm not sure if it's the proper type of concrete and thickness to support a lift or a hoist. So we'll pour a new slab here. We'll probably extend it out just a little bit and extend the roof out just a little bit more overhanging to give ourselves a little bit more room to work in here, and then we'll add some proper lighting and stuff. Everything you see here is part of the tack shed for the animals, for these guys right here. And so we just had this shed put up right here, and I'm in the process of rebuilding the tack shed, which will go right here on this little platform you see here. This is the foundation for it. So we'll build a tack shed to take care of the animals here. So this shop had some water damage and it needs a lot of rehab, but this is the inside of the shop here. Like I said, it's 200 square feet of room in here, which is plenty to store tools and toolboxes and stuff like that, and then have a little bit of workspace in here. So the bench here, I'll probably remake all this stuff here. I'll revamp all the stuff here. It has a bathroom in the shop here. I'm not certain I'm gonna keep that or not. As you can see, it was really nasty. It needs a lot of work. It has a sliding door here, and then this is what the carport looks like here. Like I said, I'm gonna raise that up. So like I said, one of the plans is to put a whole new roof on it, fix the water leak issues, and then insulate, and then put drywall up and make the shop inside of it nice. The cool thing about it is the bones of the shop is here. It already has electricity, it has running water, it has 220 electrical. So it has a lot going for it, but it does need quite a bit of rehab. And I'm excited to share that process with you guys. So we'll rehab the shop together, and I'll get you guys' input on what to do with the shop. Meanwhile, I got the animals moved in here. We got the shed here for storage, and then also I'm putting up the tack shed like I showed you in the previous clip. So I got to have a little bit of fun getting the property ready for the animals to come over and check out this clip. So I'm in the backyard and I'm going to drive the Jeep around here and kind of knock some of the weeds down, because tomorrow we're bringing the animals home for the first time and it's going to be pretty cool. So check this out. So I'm just going to tool around in the back lot here, kind of just knock some of these weeds down. And also the girlfriend's terrified of snakes, so I'm just going to run around the back here, knock some of these weeds down, kind of explore the property here. It's actually pretty ruddy back there. She wants me to do this and chase off any potential snakes. This is kind of funny. Do a couple donuts. The neighbors probably think I'm freaking crazy. All right. Oh my god, so much fun. So the whole gang is here and moved in. Stay tuned for shop update videos and also just videos of us working out of the shop and doing car repairs. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching.